This is setup. Let us reset the master Arduino UNO. When we press the button connected to master Arduino, it requests 2 bytes of data from the slave via I2C. Slave Arduino will be in sleep mode continuously. Once the TWI address match event happens, the slave wakes up. Slave sends ADC value to master and slave goes back to sleep. After receiving the ADC value, the master prints it on serial monitor. We can see the master is printing ADC value after button is pressed. Changing the ADC value. It is also successfully detected.